Hello everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So when you're working with wood, there's something that you would usually do to give it more strength and stability, and that is to use wood screws. But when you're using a nice piece of raw wood just like this, it's going to absolutely ruin the look. I mean, I could countersink it, I could screw the screws in and I could fill it, but like I said, it's just going to ruin it. And there's something else that we can do, and we can use dowel, which is exactly what we're going to do, and this method is called doweling. So let's go take a closer look. So I've drilled out 12 holes all around this frame. I've got 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side, and then on the smaller side I've drilled out 4 holes. And these are 6 centimeters deep, and the dowel that I've cut out is 6.2 centimeters. That means when I put it in there and I hit it with my mallet, it's going to protrude just a little bit, which means I can get some sandpaper, sand it completely flush, and you shouldn't be able to see it, which is exactly what we want. Right, so let me give you an example. Got my dowel, get a little bit of wood glue, stick it in the hole, grab your mallet and just give it a tap. Look at that, and you can see that it's protruding just a little bit. Right, so I'm going to go off and I'm going to put all the rest of the dowel in, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like before it's sanded. So here's what it looks like with the dowel installed, and it's done exactly what I wanted it to do. It's protruding just above the surface level, which means I can now get a sander to that, sand that down completely flush against the grain of the wood, and it's just going to look really nice. Right, so let me show you an example. Right, so let's sand this down. And there we go, take a look at that. This is what it looks like with the dowels completely sanded down, and you can barely see them, but even if you can tell that the grain is going the other way. But that doesn't really matter just because it looks so nice, and it's unbelievably strong considering that it's just a few pieces of thin wood and a bit of glue that's holding this whole frame together, but that is completely solid. So this was definitely worth doing a video on, just because it's such a great little tip that I didn't know how to do until very recently. And now my woodwork is definitely going to improve just because of that. Take a look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. And that brings me to the end of the video. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later.